When was the last time you have self-discipline for yourself? I have 5 tips for you, what I've experienced and what works for me. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Number 1, I want you to identify where you can improve in your life. You know, sometimes we got flaws, sometimes we got things that we need to work on. Jot it down on a piece of paper and see if you can make it better. Whatever you lack, try to master that. Number 2, I want you to determine what motivates you, what drives you, what makes you want to get up early in the morning to do things, what you're passionate about, you know? That's going to help you out a lot in life. That determines where you want to go, who you want to be, what you want to become. Number 3, I want you to minimize distraction and temptation. I understand, y'all. We have temptation, we go through distractions, you know, but try to keep everything in moderation so that way you'll keep a balance like yin and yang. Number 4, I want you to create daily goals and plans. Just remember, you set your life. However you want your life to be is going to be on you. So plan it out. Set your goals. Focus on your proposition. Get better, do better, and be better. You know our slogan? Number 5, I want you to turn all these steps into a habit. You know, make it a hobby. Make it something that you enjoy doing. Make it something that you live for, die for, breathe for. If you take all the steps that I just mentioned, you're gonna be disciplined. These steps help me out in my life, and hopefully it'll help you out in yours. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. I'll see you next time on the next inspirational, motivational video. Let's get it, let's go.